Hey guys, how's it going? This is Arturo with Next Gear Academy. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys about brakes. Um, and if brakes are squeaking, does it mean that they're bad? Not necessarily. Okay. So I have you guys have seen in my other videos my little Volkswagen. That car has brand new brakes. The brakes are 8 millimeters. Typically brakes will come with about 10 millimeters. When they're brand new, when they get down to about 4 millimeters is when you want to replace them. Okay. So 10 millimeters, new brakes, 4 millimeters. Um, Start like looking to replace them. I'm just gonna put bad. Okay, anything under 4 millimeters is considered, safety concerns. So definitely want to replace them when they're in this area. Okay, so if your brakes are squeaking, and they're at 8 millimeters, that happens. My Volkswagen, when it rains, if I put it in reverse, I'll wake up my entire neighborhood, and everyone swears to me that my brakes are bad. They're not bad. The problem with my brakes is that they're semi-metallic. That's the material that my brakes are made out of. Semi-metallic brake pads. Um, these brake pads stop really good, but they're super noisy. They throw out a ton of brake dust, so my wheels are all covered in kind of like a dark, oily, black looking stuff. And what it is the brake dust off the brake pads. Um, but they're not bad. But it is annoying. Okay, so there's semi-metallic brake pads, and then there's ceramic brake pads. Ceramic pads. The ceramic pads are super quiet. They're softer material, um, and they're really always the ones that I recommend people go with. So the reason I haven't replaced my brakes is when I bought my car, they came with metallic brake pads, um, and they're at 8 millimeters. So I don't really see the value of changing them out yet, because they're perfectly fine. They're just super noisy. Um, so just because your brakes are squeaking, um, doesn't necessarily mean that they're bad. Now, if you hear a grinding noise, that's different. Grinding noise is bad when it comes to anything, um, with your car. You don't ever want to hear grinding. Um, but if you ever hear a squeak for the first time, I just get it checked out. Go to pull your wheels off, check your brake pads. There's measuring tools. Most shops do free brake inspection, so go get them checked out. If they're at 10, like anywhere between 5 and 10 millimeters, you don't have to get them replaced. They're still considered, decent. The closer it is to 10, they're newer, of course. 4 and below, considered bad, and the closer you get to 1, the more dangerous it gets, because then you're risking damaging rotors. A lot of times nowadays you can't even resurface rotors. So now, in my opinion, again, 4 below, just get them done, get them replaced as possible. So if you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.